Hi and welcome to another video of Project Risk Management. Our topic of today is Project Resilience Emergent Risk. Alright, but before dive into deep, let me tell you three videos on Project Risk Management we already released. So watch those videos. Link I will share in description section so that you can relate today topic Project Resilience and Emergent Risk and its necessity in your project. Before moving ahead, I want you guys please subscribe this channel because we are adding so much value not only for your PMP exam perspective but also you can apply in your real project, whatever project you are in. Now let's get started. What is project resilience and emergent risk? What is project resilience? The capacity to maintain core purpose, integrity in the face of external, internal shock and change. Okay, let me make it simple for you. Project resilience means project should have some flexibility in terms of time, scope, resources, processes in order to maintain project objectives. Core purpose of project to maintain to achieve the project objectives. What is the project objectives? A scope, cost, schedule, quality. These are the objectives of the any project. So in case of any emergent risk, this means emergent risk, okay, external internal shock and change. So in case of any emergent risk happen to your project, there should have some flexibility in terms of time, scope, resources and processes so that by applying those resilience you can maintain core purpose and integrity of your project. Okay, got it? Hope it's very clear and you got to understand what is project resilience and what is purpose of keeping the project resilience in your project. Now you may be thinking what is emergent risk? So here is the definition. Risk that are poorly understood. Okay. See, some risk could not identify earlier in the project. Those risks are emergent risk because those risks over the time expected to grow greatly and they are high in the significance also. So in simple you can understand those emergent risks are unknowable unknown. Unknowable unknown example is we don't know exactly when lightning strikes going to happen. See, there is a weather in couple of months going to change in your project, right? So what will be happen, the lightning strikes might be happen to your project and that is unknowable, right? Because you don't know exactly when it will be happen, and once it will be happen you don't know what the impacts on your project, so the impacts is also unknown. So that is why emergent risk is called unknowable unknown. Hope it's very clear to you. In case of any doubt, please put into comment section. Definitely I will try to clear your doubt. Alright. Moving ahead now, the question is if emergent risk occurred to your project, how you are going to manage those emergent risk? Because emergent risk is unknowable and unknown. So to handle such emergent risk, project resilience are developed. Okay, project resilience are developed. So each project should have right level of budget and schedule contingency for emergent risk in addition to a specific risk budget for known risk. In addition to the budget which are kept for known risk, we should have right level of budget and contingency schedule to cope up emergent risk in case it happens to your project. What is the next? flexible project processes. Whatever the processes is set for your project, there should have some flexibility to change the processes, and this flexibility should go through change management. Okay, so that in case of any emergent risk, if it is required to change in the processes, you can go through the change management and change the processes and cope up your emergent risk. Alright. Next is empowered project team that has clear objectives and that is trusted to get the job done within agreed upon limits. Being a project manager or even team member, there should have authority. Let's say in case of any defects to your machine, right, equipments, so the project manager or project team should have authority to give the approval for the procurement to fix the issue for sake of project going on, right? So these are all related empowered project team. Now next is frequent review of early warning sign to identify emergent risk. There should have project meeting on frequent basis to identify emergent risk, and this meeting based on the triggering, based on the warning sign. Okay, so that you can have enough time to assess the possible measures. Okay, and you can get input from all the stakeholders of your project. So these are some steps given in PMO guide as a project resilience to maintain the project purpose and integrity in case of any emergent risk occurred on the project. Alright, so please like and don't forget to subscribe our channel, because we are making video for each and every topic of project management. So subscribe the channel and stay connected for more and more videos about project management professional exam. Thank you once again for watching this video. Goodbye.